P2P trading has been banned in Nigeria for owners of Binance accounts. However, withdrawing from Binance is still available. So when you launch your Binance account on your device this way, the next thing you have to do is to look at the four icon at the top right corner of your screen. The last left icon there, you tap on it. But before this process will take place, you make sure that your Binance account is on Binance Pro. So the next thing is to tap on send cash. So we're waiting for it to boot. So now you are going to enter the amount that you want to send. This process is being powered by P2P to send cash to your owner bank account, to your own bank account. So this process is being sponsored or powered by P2P trading. So when you enter the amount that you want to send through this page, through this feature, you are going to do your phone verification. It's going to bring you, let me enter it so that you see what I'm saying. So it's going to bring space for you to ensure security, enable SMS authentication first. So you are going to go through after the authentication, then your space for you to enter your bank details will be sent to you, or you filter out, so that you'll be able to transfer the money from your Binance account to your local bank account. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.